Tom Schultz here with JBC Safety Plastics. We're here in Redlands, California this morning to test the durability of the JBC Revolution Series cone. About 80 degrees outside today. This is our RS 745 CT injection molded cone with the new 3343M reflective collars. We have a 25,000 pound paving roller. We're going to run it over and check durability. Well, as you can see, the JBC cone comes right back to shape. Injection molding gives us the capabilities of controlling consistent wall thickness and reboundability. Next time you choose cones, choose JBC. Quality, dependability that works.